Dear Jessica, I don't know where to start, so I'm just going to start with saying I love you so much. We have been waiting for this day for a long time now. We will never experience this day again, so I wanted you to try and slow down time and savor every moment of our wedding day. We are starting a new chapter in our lives today, and with every chapter in our lives together, the book will continue to get better and better. Jess, we are going to make the best story anyone has witnessed. I love you so much. Now let's celebrate our love for each other. Love, Michael.
Michael Scott. Holy smokes, about time, am I right? Ugh, finally, I get to marry the man of my dreams. Seems like just yesterday we were in Mrs. Schuster's classroom making eye contact for the very first time. Everyone says enjoy every second because it goes by so fast. But hey, the faster it goes, the sooner we can start our forever together. You've never ever failed to make me smile, and I couldn't be more grateful for that. I'm more than ready to spend forever with you. Thanks for being my best friend. My feet couldn't be farther from cold. Baby, let's do this. Love you the most. Love, Jess.
Come to worship God and to witness the marriage of Jessica Lynn Johnson and Michael Scott.
To invite her fully into your being so that she can know who you are. To cherish her above all others and to respect her.
Today we especially think of Michael and Jessica as they begin their life together as husband and wife.
Let no one separate.
With them, we thank you for the joy they find in each other. Give them strength, Father, to keep the vows they have made and cherish the love they share.
No amount of words could ever be enough to explain how much I love you.
Jessica, I love you so much, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you.